question is state Coulomb's law in electrostatics and write it in vector form for two charges. So यहाँ पे हमें कहा गया है कि Coulomb's law को हमें वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है और उसको स्टेटमेंट को एक्सप्लेन करना है. We have to write down the statement of the Coulomb's law as well as the formula of the Coulomb's law. So the Coulomb's law can be stated as it provides us the force between two charges. Suppose there are two charges q1 and q2 and having the position vectors as respectively r1 and r2, and then there is a force between these charges, and that particular force is given by the product of two charges. It is directly proportional to the product of two charges, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between two charges. So R12 is the distance between these two charges, and Q1 multiplied by Q2 is the product of these two charges, and 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant here. So this is the formal statement. In the formal statement, we can say that the force between two charges varies inversely with the square of the distance between the charges and is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of the charges and act along the line joining the two charges. So the line joining between two charges, this force act. Suppose these two are positive, then F12 and this is F21. F12 means the force acting on charge 1 due to charge 2, and F21 means the force acting on charge 2 due to charge 1. And R12 is basically the vector, R12 is basically the vector joining Q1 to Q2. It is basically R1 minus R2. R12 is R1 minus R2. And here in this expression, this R12 is written in the form of unit vector. We can write this equation in alternate form as F12 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 cube, and here is R12 vector. So if we write the equation in vector form, only the vector form of R12, then we have to make here R12 cube. But if we are writing the equation in vector form, then in the inverse, in the reciprocal, in the denominator, there is R12 square. So यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम में हमसे पूछा गया है कि हमें एक स्टेटमेंट लिखना है कूलम्स लॉ का, और साथ के साथ हमें इसको वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो कूलम्स लॉ कहता है कि दो चार्जेस के बीच में लगने वाला फोर्स उनके बीच के डिस्टेंस के इनवर्सली, उनके बीच के डिस्टेंस के स्क्वायर के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है और उन रेस्पेक्टिव चार्जेस के प्रोडक्ट के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. और साथ के साथ यहाँ पे एक कांस्टेंट फैक्टर आता है जिसको हम 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट कहते हैं. इसकी वैल्यू 9 × 10⁻⁹ होती है. तो हमें ये इक्वेशन भी लिखनी है, दैट इज F12 equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 square, and here is R12 unit vector. अल्टरनेट फॉर्म इसकी हो सकती है F12 equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 cube, और यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे R12 वेक्टर. और डायग्राम पूछा नहीं गया है, लेकिन फिर भी हम डायग्राम जो है शो कर सकते हैं इसके साथ, ताकि जो है ये पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन क्लियर हो जाए. So hope you understand the explanation. Thank you.